In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your available storage on Google Drive in just a few simple steps. Whether you're managing work documents, photos, or shared files, it's always helpful to know how much space you've used and how much is still available. Let's walk through the process together. First, open your preferred web browser and go to drive.google.com. Once there, make sure you're logged into the Google account you want to check. You'll then see your main Drive dashboard, where all your files and folders are displayed neatly. If you're not already signed in, simply enter your Google credentials and click Next to continue. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a panel with options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and Recent. Scroll down this menu until you find the option labeled Storage. It's usually located near the bottom of the panel. Go ahead and click on it. Once you select Wipe Storage, the main part of your screen will update to show detailed information about how your space is being used. At the top, you'll notice a storage bar. This is a visual indicator showing how much of your total storage capacity you've used. If your drive is nearly full, the bar may appear in yellow or red, signaling it's time to do a little cleanup. Below the bar, you'll find a list of your largest files sorted by size. This feature is extremely helpful because it lets you identify which items are taking up the most space. You might discover old videos, large PDFs, or other bulky files you no longer need. If you want to free up space, simply right-click on any file and choose Remove. Keep in mind that deleted files move to your own trash folder, where they still occupy space until you empty it. To permanently delete them, click on Trash in the left-hand menu and select Empty Trash. Another useful tip, if you regularly collaborate on shared documents, remember that files shared with you don't count toward your storage limit unless you own them. So, focusing on your own uploaded files is usually the best way to clear space efficiently. Lastly, if you find that you're constantly running out of room, Google offers storage upgrade plans through Google One. You can find the option by clicking the Buy Storage button or Get More Storage link near the storage bar. These plans are affordable and can greatly expand your drive capacity, especially if you handle large files like videos or design projects. And that's it. You've just learned how to check available storage on Google Drive and manage your space like a pro. Staying aware of your storage helps you keep your files organized, avoid running into upload issues, and maintain a clean digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy tech how-tos. See you in the next video.